Are you busy wondering what is happening to the EURUSD? I want to believe a lot of traders out there, at least EURUSD should be the most popular currency pair out there today. It's a pleasure to have you here. And of course, for those that might just be joining us for the first time, Happy New Year to you. It's a pleasure to have you. Here we talk about the majors on gold, and then we look for trading opportunities each week. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and of course, like this video after watching. Now, for the EURUSD, I'm going to quickly flip through 3 time frames: 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. Well, majorly 3 time frames. So now, if you look at this 1 hour time frame, you will notice something. You notice that it looks like a drawing from a 2-year-old, or maybe even a 1-year-old or 3 years old. If you look at what I'm trying to say, it's ranging. This is looking very, very chaotic. There isn't any clean movement over here, and this is for the 1 hour time frame. So that means that from what we have here, you know that most likely is the scalpers that are having a fun-filled day with this. And then apart from this 1 hour time frame, we can now look at it from the 4 hours time frame perspective. Okay, great. From the 4 hours perspective, you can see we had a big drop over here. But then after that big drop, look at what has happened since. It has been ranging. So this will now help you to know, okay, fine, EURUSD has been in a tight range since about November. Yes, look at what we have over here, where the mouse is from the beginning of the range. Since about November middle up till now, till the new year. So this is about 2 months thereabout that the EURUSD has been ranging. But then, for clarity's sake, that's why at times it's always good to also check different time frames. It will always give you a cleaner perspective. At times, even also the higher time frames is what you should be looking at. Now, looking at the daily time frame, now you should be able to see that things is getting clearer, right? Now you should be able to see that over here at the bottom here, we have what? We have this range. But even apart from this range that we have, the good thing I actually like is that this range that we're looking at, it has formed a wedge, it has formed a triangle over here. So this triangle over here is one popular pattern that can easily be traded. You can see for now, let's see how long this is going to move sideways over here. But trust me, it's going to break out soon, either to the upside or to the downside. Either way, it's going to break out to, if it's up, wait for a breakout, wait for a breakout and a retest back to this area for you to try to push higher. And if you're looking at pushing higher, you'll notice that you have some areas here of support resistance in this area. You can see you have like support in the form of resistance here. So this would be a good area to, cash out. And then also, if it were to break to the downside, after breaking here, wait for a pullback here. And then first of all, your first target should be this lows here, right? So you're looking forward to price going down here and then maybe even going down some more. But don't forget, this is on the daily time frame. So this probably might still take a while. It might still range inside this wedge, or at the end of the day, might end up giving us a different formation based on what is happening. And you could also focus on the US dollar. Today being Tuesday, 11th of January, we're going to be having the Fed Chair Powell. He's going to be giving a speech by 3 p.m. UK time. And of course, one of the key discussions since last year has been inflation, whether to increase the rates and all, which most likely we already know is going to be sooner than later based on what has been happening. And of course, in the world that we're living in today, the coronavirus has not keeps on giving us different mutations. So of course, investors have been wary. There has been a lot of indecision in the markets due to uncertainty. Nobody's really sure what's going on anymore. But then at the end of the day, everything you will see on the chart, and you can take advantage of the chart. Now, for what we've talked about now, trust me, you can make money from this. And that is why you are here watching this video. You are here because you want to make money from trading the Forex market. And with this knowledge, you could also trade any market of your choice, whether it's the cryptocurrency market or whether it's the equities market and so on. So if this video was helpful a bit, right, give it a thumbs up, and of course you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And if you have any questions, comment in the section below, and of course we'll get back to you. Thank you, everybody. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, and God bless. Cheers.